From optimizing wastewater treatment to enhancing biogas production and improving agricultural waste management, meet Drylet, the company revolutionizing wastewater management with advanced bioremediation technology. Our solutions reduce solids by up to 60%, eliminate odors, and streamline your wastewater systems. Imagine transforming your operations with cost-effective solutions free of GMOs and chemicals. Safe for everyone, including humans and aquatic life. Our unique delivery platform combines advanced material science and microbiology. It optimizes operations in livestock, renewable energy, protein processing, and municipal wastewater treatment. Whether you're managing livestock waste, enhancing anaerobic digestion production, or improving sludge treatment in wastewater plants, we have you covered. Hear it from our clients. Matt Jones, a restaurant owner, said, "Drylet's product eliminated the grease problem in just a week. A happy customer for life." With Drylet, say goodbye to disruption and hello to efficiency. Reduce environmental impact while saving on operational costs. Elevate your wastewater management game today. Visit our website to learn more and schedule a consultation.